video, I will show you how to download Roblox Studio on your phone. Step 1, you just have to open any web browser and then search for roblox.com. Once you search it one, all you have to do is to click open. So make sure that you're logged into your account. This is what it looks like. And if you're not using desktop site, you just have to tap this three dots here and then click desktop site. Step 2, you just have to click create, tap this one that is next to marketplace. And then step 3, all you have to do is to scroll down and look for start creating. And all you have to do is to click that one in order for you to download and start using this Roblox Studio. But in my case, I have already installed that on my mobile phone. So you can see here, Open Studio. And if I'm going to tap that one, you can see there, Download Studio. If you haven't created a Roblox Studio yet, you can see there a button that says Start Creating. But if you have downloaded it one, then you can see there Open Studio. And that's how easy it is to download your Roblox Studio on your phone. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video tutorials.